Good morning, boys. Um, Today I want to discuss on how to answer the question that I gave you. Question 1 to number 5, I think you can solve. Now come to question number 8. There's a calculation. So I want to discuss. There's some points that I need to explain. Okay, I'm going to read the question. Number 8, the diagram below shows a weightlifting athlete practicing. Okay, the athlete is said to do work. They ask you to justify it. Okay, how to justify it? Okay, for work, we already know it is the formula. Back to the formula. Okay, work is force times displacement. So in order to make sure that we get work done, we must have the force, Newton, and the displacement, meter. Both of these need to have a value. So if we have a value, then the work is done. Okay, so here how to justify? So we just have to just tell them he lifted the load with 2-meter displacement. So there is a load and there is also displacement. So consider work is done. Okay, now going into B, they ask you to calculate. Okay, I missed. Calculate the work done. Okay, they ask you to calculate the work done. Now, look back at what we want. Okay, I've done here. So I'm going to explain to you. So the formula for work is force times displacement. Okay, the unit for work is joule, force is Newton, and displacement is meter. Okay, this is in BM. So meter. Okay, so now the information given is the load is 25 kilogram and the displacement is 2 meter. So how to get Newton? Because we need to have the force. Okay, the force. How we gonna get the force is by getting the value of we change it by using the kilogram times the value of gravity. The pull of gravity is 10 Newton. So when we have 25 kilogram times with the pull of the gravity, which is 10, okay, it will automatically become force, Newton. So 25 kilogram times 10, the pull of gravity is 250, and then we times with the displacement, which is 2 meter, 2. So the answer is 500 joule. Okay, so the work done is 500 joule. Now, going on to part B. Okay, the power performed, they asked to calculate the power performed if the athlete takes 10 seconds to lift the weight from A to B. Okay, time taken, time is given 10 seconds. So again, power is work divided by time. Okay, so time should be in, given is 10 seconds. So now we just substitute everything. Okay, work is 500 divided by the time is 10 seconds. Okay, so you will get 50 watt. Okay, 50 watt is the answer for the power performed. Okay, power performed by the athlete. Okay, so you just take the work divided by the time. Okay, done on question 8. Now moving on to question 9. Question 9, after a boy messaged me and said that there is no value for force, so I added the 800 Newton for the force. Okay, the force is 800 Newton. okay, or the load, the value of the load. So now the first question they ask, the diagram shows a crane lifting a load onto a lorry. First one, calculate the work done by the crane to lift each load onto the lorry. Each load. So the load is, I already given you 800. The displacement is given by 3 meter. So suppose you can find the work done. Okay, again, work is force times displacement. The force is 800 times 3 meter the displacement, and we can get the value of the work is 2400 joule. Okay, and part B, they're asking, calculate the power of the crane if it takes 1 minute to lift one load onto the lorry. Okay, they given the time is now 1 minute. Okay, I just want to remind you back, in form 1 you already learned a basic unit that you need to remember. The SI unit, okay, is length, okay, then mass, and then temperature, and then current, and time. Okay, these 5 units that you need to remember. The SI unit, here, so for length is meter, mass is kilogram, the temperature is Kelvin, the current is ampere, the time should be in second. Okay, the time should be in second. So question 8 just now, they already given you in 10 second. Okay, 10 second. So you simplify, you just substitute and you solve it. Now when come to question number 9, they give you in 1 minute. So the minutes need to be changed. Okay, so again, power. Okay, power is work divided by time. Just now we already found 2400 joule. So work is 2400 divided by 1 minute given. So we change it to second by times 60 second. So we will do 2400 divided by 60 second, and we will get 40 watt. Okay, so that's all for question 8 and 9, how to calculate. So please remember, the SI unit is very important when you do calculation. The first one is for the kilogram. Whenever they give you kilogram, you want to change to Newton, you times 10. Okay, remember this. Usually they will give question in kilogram and asking you to solve question. So you cannot simply take the kilogram and times the displacement. You need to change it to Newton, because the Newton they want force, not kilogram, not mass. Okay, that is the first one. The second one, okay, keep the time, always time. They will always give you in minutes, and you must remember to change it to second. Okay, okay, that's it. Thank you.